Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY Buddy Guy. As promised, here's the video on installing a tube in a tire. Just a couple of things to point out. The tools that we're going to use are these flat bars, mostly. These are called tire irons or tire spoons. They're pretty handy. You can get them Harbor Freight. Don't recommend it because they're cheap. Or Tractor Supply. But whatever tools you get, just make sure they're good quality ones that are strong. We also have this valve stem tool purchased at Walmart. You see them in the automotive section, and it has a couple of different functions for threading, cleaning up, chasing the threads on valve stem, what have you, removing the Schrader, the piece on the middle, or just screwing this over the end of the valve stem, which is what we're going to use this for today. And it's going to serve a couple of purposes. First, we need to remove the Schrader valve stem from here, the Schrader core from the valve stem. Then we need to remove the valve stem, and then we're going to use this tool to help install the new tube. A couple of things. The tire size we're working with is 15 by 6.5 by 8. The way that works is it's 15 inches from here to here. Tire is 6.5 wide, and it's an 8-inch rim. The tube that I have to install is 16 by 6.5 by 8. It's a little bit bigger this way. It's okay to go a little bit bigger with your tubes. It's not okay to go smaller. Because if you have a small tube and you try to overinflate it to fill a bigger space, you might break the tube or possibly get hurt. But if you put a little bit bigger tube in there and inflate it, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Just pay attention and be careful, but to go a little bit bigger is fine. So what I'm going to do first is set up my tripod, and I'll show you what's next.